Storm Team.
Well, we have widespread rain on the way. It's raining right now, but there's more on the way over the weekend. Most locations will likely come in somewhere around 1 inch to 1.5 inches. A couple of asterisks there. Some areas, especially in maybe the far west and the northwest, could be less than that inch, and to the east, and especially if you happen to be underneath a thunderstorm, could even be a little bit more. The weather will improve on Sunday. Now, it may be raining for some of us Sunday morning, but throughout the day, that storm will pull away and the weather will turn nice for Monday as well. It still looks like a big midweek storm is going to be more and more likely. With the data that I'm seeing today, it seems more likely to me. 57 degrees, northeast wind at 7, and the streets are wet. It didn't rain hard, but it did rain a little bit in Bismarck. Minot 55 degrees, and the wind is calm, so that's very nice. And in Garrison, 56 degrees, northeast breeze, only 5 miles an hour, and in Dickinson is 54, north wind at 7. So here is a look at the radar. So we had a few sprinkles go through the south central, and you can see there, went through Bismarck. This is the heavier rain right now, and as we zoom down and get a little bit closer here, heaviest rain is now between Newtown and Keene, and that's actually gotten stronger. The cell has gotten stronger just in the past maybe 15 minutes or so, and also around Tioga, maybe some heavier rain, and then that rain goes farther north. But that's the heaviest rain at this point in time, and it's going to continue to track to the northeast. Looks like a little shower right outside Parshall. Now, the computer models for most of the day have had a tough time picking up on the rain that we just saw on the actual radar. This is a forecast model, and this is brand new data. It just came in a few minutes ago. And honestly, I haven't had a chance to compare with anything, but this is new data. We'll see. So by 7 o'clock in the morning, it looks like most of the rain will be in the southwest, possibly the south central. Might be raining in Bismarck at 7 o'clock in the morning, but you can see that looks to be a good shot of rain there. And by maybe 10 in the morning, the new data is keeping the rain out of Minot at 10 o'clock in the morning. Other computer models that are a little bit older, it doesn't mean they're not right, but they're a little bit older, have rain by 10 o'clock in the morning. But you can see that pretty big batch of rain there, and then off to the west. And then it does push into Minot during the day, and we could have some thunderstorms. Not expecting severe weather, but there could be a strong storm. And if you happen to get underneath one of those storms, then you could get even more rain. And it looks like it's going to be raining off and on a good part of the day across western North Dakota. Now, looking ahead to next week, and I just picked one moment in time. This is Wednesday afternoon, and the other computer model, the long-range model, kind of gets similar to this. It's pretty similar, so I have higher confidence that this storm is actually going to be close enough that it will impact our weather. It could be a lot of rain, and with that many isobars that close, probably kind of windy too. So the next 72 hours for Dickinson, good chance of rain, and it should be over by Sunday. And for Williston, 80% chance of rain as well. So here's a look at the temperatures tonight. Mostly 40s, some 50s. Tomorrow, 50s and some 60s. And here's a look at the Bismarck 7-day, and boy, it is a good chance of rain. Look at that. And look at all those chances of rain next week. So this is real fall weather, good chance of rain. And by the 10 o'clock news, I may even change the chance of rain to 100% for tomorrow. But right now, I've got it at 90. Good chance of rain.
Sure, and I know it's rain people have been waiting for. Thanks.